make ciambotta. And we got everything. I gotta use basil, garlic, onion, plum tomato. The plum tomato, I take the skin out and the seeds out. We got a potato, eggplant. We got a red sweet pepper. I got my Oye baby hot pepper, sweet green pepper. This is an orange pepper and zucchini. Yeah, zucchini. Zucchini I got over here. Yeah, the eggplant and the zucchini. Now, for start, we bring the garlic and the onion over here on the stove. And let's put the gas on. Got warm up the pots and I gotta use oil. But before we start, let's say
hello everyone.
okay.
Thank you so much for watching us.
Hello everybody. Tonight we make a ciambotta. This in Italy, ciambotta, everybody was made. Cin cin e salute ad everybody. Cin cin. Alright. Okay, now we start with the oil. You gotta use a little extra oil.
Hello Joseph.
Okay. And so we need a little bit more oil, we put more. And we gotta start with the onion. Look at beautiful color, beautiful. Alright, and the onion. Yeah, I got a garlic. I got a 4 cloves garlic.
Can you say what kind of Oye baby pepper is?
It's an Italian long hot pepper. It's this kind over here. And I chop the rest. It was not long, this one. It's a spice. And we bring now everything, the rest, right over here. Vicino mare, facciamo amore, ancora, ancora. Marinara e tirarezza.
Now almost everything is inside the garden growing up, so it's perfect time
Yes,
to making.
I got a lot of, the tomato not ready yet, but I got the tomato, I got a basil, everything. Salute e cin cin ad everybody. Cin cin.
Thank you Joanne for liking the wine. Why you not show the cucumber you pick up today?
Yes, today I pick up the frosted cucumber. All right. All right. Oh, it smells so good already. Really, really good.
A, dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry, la zdrowia. I gotta go to Poland. They say, la zdrowia. Cin cin e salute to everybody. And thank you very much for your support and thank you for the start. Cin cin. All right. Now, this got a big, this is the ciambotta, got a big beautiful color, the no born nut. Now, like I said, the plum tomato, what I did, I take the skin out and the seeds out. At the start, we start with the plum tomato first. Okay, now we saute the tomato a little bit.
Our chicken Vesuvio is delicious. It's really good. Please send some picture.
Okay, now it's the tomato. Now we start, and we got everything over here. And we start with the green pepper.
Hello, Rebecca.
Okay, now we put the orange over here.
Yeah, this is a really delicious dish.
Sweet. Okay.
Yeah, it smells really good.
And we got my oye baby green pepper. Okay. And now
You're absolutely right, Michael. Smells beautiful. Really good. Thank you, Tony. Same to you.
now this it look so much, so many, but one time this it's cooked, it's not too much, okay? Okay, everything cook, everything it got done. But now look how beautiful look this. We got the zucchini.
Yeah, we will do video from the garden, yes.
Black pepper.
Thank you, Anna. Yeah, we do potatoes too. He has still
Yeah.
potatoes and eggplant.
Yes, I got over here the potato and the eggplant. Renee.
You're welcome, Kathleen.
And now, little salt.
Thank you, Linda. No, this is like vegetable dish. It's no meat in.
This dish, when I was in Italy, when my mother, all the family together, work on a farm, and my mother, she was make this Ciambotta on a farm. And it was so good. Everything fresh for the garden. Okay, now, eggplant, melanzane.
Somebody was asking if you want to take the skin out from eggplant. Yes, you can do if you want to.
Yes, see you want, you can take it out, the skin. But, you know, everybody, it's different. I like the skin. But see you don't like it, gets a little maybe tough, the rest get inside, you can take it out. Okay, now the last we got to put, it's the potato. But now, this more it cook and more juicy come, okay? Got the eggplant make a lot of juice too, like you got a lot of the zucchini.
He's from Puglia.
Sono di Puglia, pugliese, Foggia. Now this you gotta cook really on low, okay? Do not rush too much, because this is the dish, the ciambotta, you gotta cook really, really low, the gas. Oh, okay. We put the basil, I no chop with a knife, I say all the time, because one time you chop with a knife, the basil lose all the juice on a knife and a wood board. And I do like this, it gives you really, really good taste.
Hello from Florida.
In Florida, you got a hot weather over there. Well, you see, Barrett's not too far away. I'll say the same distance as the Naples. Maybe take like maybe hour and a half to reach over there. Okay, look how beautiful, look at this now.
Yeah.
Like I say now, I got the gas on medium. Okay, you gotta cook really, not too high the flame. Yeah, I wanna say that, but now this, I don't know, after maybe my wife had shown nice picture, the one that's done. And with this we make a nice bread. We toasted the bread, the little garlic, and we put an onion oil on the top of the bread and we toast. Make a nice crispy. And with the ciambotta, it come out really good. Bread with the ciambotta. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for the star. E salute e cincine everybody. E I see another, maybe we make another video before the 4th of July. But so nobody, maybe too many people do not see me. Happy 4th of July to everybody. I hope. Another thing I want to say, please, for the 4th of July, I know everybody got a big, the family, friend, all together. So you drink, please, not drive the car. Leave somebody else in non drink and drive the car. I remember 2 years ago, I was saying like this, and one of the parents, he was right at me, he said, Pasquale, you're right. On the 4th of July, I lost my son, he was in drink. Salute e cincin. Me, I never drink, so I gotta go out. And I hope everybody do the same. It's really, really safety. Because one time you go, who suffer, it's the family. Cin cin e salute. Thank you for your support and thank you for the star. Cin cin, salute, and we see next time. Cin cin.
Thank you, everyone.